Open the prism and place the drill into the prism. The drill should protrude approximately 35 up to 40 millimeters. Now adjust the cutting edge parallel to the middle adjusting line. The point angle is 180 degrees. It can be seamlessly adjusted by opening the release handle. With deviating angles, you have the additional option to adjust the edge directly on the grinding wheel. The clearance angle may be selected depending on the material to be drilled. It ranges for a flat drill bit usually between 1 and 2. The clearance angle may be selected depending on the material to be drilled. For grinding the cutting edges, lock the pivoting mechanism in hole A. The grinding is performed on the right edge of the grinding wheel using the motor feet. Carefully grind the drill up to the drill center and then move back. For the back or clearance facet, the pivoting mechanism is locked in position B. The grinding is done according to the first two edges.